Every day on construction sites and industrial workplaces, workers rely on heavy equipment and machinery. But what happens when that equipment shifts, collapses, or becomes unstable? Accidents happen often because of one overlooked safety measure: blocking and cribbing. According to OSHA, inadequate cribbing contributes to numerous struck-by incidents every year. This is why OSHA Online Center brings you the Blocking and Cribbing Safety course, a focused 13-minute training. In this course, you'll learn how to select safe materials and proper stacking techniques. OSHA recommended procedures to reduce collapse hazards and protect yourself and your team from life-threatening incidents. One unstable load can be the difference between a safe day at work or a tragedy. This training is completely self-paced, and you'll receive a recognized certification, a credential that proves your knowledge and boosts your professional opportunities. Don't wait until an accident happens. Enroll today in the Blocking and Cribbing Safety course at OSHA Online Center. Duration, just 13 minutes. Certification included. Click the link in description below to sign up today.